Welcome back to ASEAN Newsroom with economic news. It's a big day for the first-time home buyers to buy your own home, with nearly 6,000 people interested paraded to the government housing bank today to apply for a zero interest rate in the first 2 years of installment. The bank reported that there are 5,800 applicants worth totaling 8.8 billion baht in mortgage loan. People who want to have their first home were waiting in front of the bank and its branch nationwide since early this morning to submit their application. Some provinces were reported home buyers arrived at the bank branches at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. The government's zero-rate campaign to home buyers have attracted them to save the installment cost. However, the bank will take 14 days for approval. It is believed that it will take 1 week to fill up the government's targeted mortgage loan of 25 billion baht for this time. Finance Minister Chatika Wanit said the new government would decide whether to double loans to 50 billion baht. The government sets to run this campaign through the end of this year.
And our Thai stock stage rebound today, rising 21.62 points to 1,072.47 on heavy buying in the energy and banking sectors. Over the past week, the Thai market went through a sharp downward swing following selling in the global commodities. During the trading session yesterday, the SET index dipped to 1,054.67 before rebounding for a gain of 2.6% to close at 1,072.47. The most active stocks yesterday was Jasmine International, which closed up 32 stang to 3.08 baht. PTT was up to 11 baht to 358. PTTEP was up to 5 baht to 175.50 baht. Bangkok Bank was up 3 baht to 160 baht, and PTT Chemicals went up 7 baht to 156 baht.
On the latest gold trend in the program, with us right now is Kun Thipanawattanasapt, the CEO of YLG Bullion and Futures. Welcome to the show, Kun Thipa. Good morning, Kun Thipa. Good morning, Kun Thipa. Are you with us?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to the program. How does the current political situation affect the price of gold today?
The political in Thailand is not really affects the Thai gold. Actually, what its effect is will have an indirect effects in Thai baht. But then, when we compare between political in Thailand, the situation right now, and we compare between the U.S. dollar factors, the U.S. dollar factor seems to have more effects on Thai baht instead. And if Thai baht is weakened, so it means that the gold price will be higher in Thailand. But then if Thai baht is strengthened, so it means that the gold price in Thailand will be cheaper.
Mm-hmm. Well, as the trading transaction is considered pretty high volume in these few days, how does this factor affect the gold?
They will provide more liquidities in terms of when there is more volume in the market. And also you can see that right now for a couple of weeks, the gold price swing a lot. In each day, the volatilities is around like $30 up to $40 per troy ounce. That's because there's more big players coming in, especially the hedge fund. So that's make the volume high, and also the gold price fluctuates a lot.
Okay, so what about the investor confidence? What are the implications?
The investor confidence, that has to see on right now. If the investors they want to invest in gold, there's still like 3 or 4 main factors that they need to consider. The first one is the fear of inflationary. Like if government or the world still cannot reduce the inflation problems, then the gold price still like has a lot of tendencies to go higher. As this year, we expect to see the level around like 1,650 US dollars per troy ounce. And the second factor is still the fear of the political turmoil in the Middle East. If it's still not being able to solve, then it still support the gold price to going up further, and also the fears of the economies of the U.S. and also economies of the Europe zone that make investors still worry. That's why it still make the gold become safe haven. But however, in short terms right now, if you can see that the gold price is drop a little, it's because of after it's made a medium-term high at the price of 1,575 US dollars per troy ounce. So right now it's more like a correction level. So from this level, at around like 1,500 from now, maybe we will see a little drop for a couple of weeks to the level of 1,450
This is short term.
Yeah, just for the short term, we call it as a medium collections. But then in terms of long terms, around like at end of Q3 up to the beginning of Q4, we might see a going up of the gold price again at the level of 1,650 US dollars per troy ounce.
Okay, thank you very much for sharing with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, that was คุณทิพานะวะวัฒนทรัพย์ from the YLG Bullions and Futures.